Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the update won't stall. Log into the Epfo employer/unified portal using your credentials. Once logged in, access the establishment section. Select the specific establishment code you want to change and choose the appropriate change type, name or address, then upload the supporting document PDF. Make sure your digital signature certificate is connected and valid, because Epfo requires DSC to authenticate the submission. This avoids manual follow-up and speeds approval. Once the form loads, enter the new establishment name or updated address exactly as on the official proof. Mismatches cause rejection. Attach each required document in the specified format, then apply the DSC to sign the submission. Select the signing certificate and confirm. Before you hit submit, preview the entire application to verify PAN/TAN, contact details, and uploaded files. After submission, note the change request ID. This helps you track progress and respond quickly if Epfo asks for clarifications. After submitting, monitor the request status in the employer portal using the request ID. Approvals typically follow an internal verification. If Epfo raises a query, supply corrected or additional documents immediately and re-sign if required. When approved, verify the updated establishment details in the portal and inform payroll to use the new name/address going forward. If the submission fails due to DSC errors, reinstall middleware or update drivers and escalate to your IT team. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.